Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest Typhoon 2000 weather analysis for this Friday until Monday, February 11 to 14, 2022. And let's start with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have now the shifting of the winds. Right now, it's coming from the east, and this is already the warm easterlies. And it is expected to bring some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across eastern Mindanao, as well as some portions of the Visayas, becoming more frequent over summer provinces. And later on, early tomorrow morning till the afternoon, it will spread across the Bicol region. So don't be surprised if we are going to experience some rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly around noontime through the afternoon. And also the effects of the easterlies will be felt as far as the Batanes group of islands, affecting also the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley and Calabarzon. So far, the northeast monsoon is somewhat stationary here along the coastal areas of eastern China. So there are no developing LPAs until now. Even tropical cyclone formation based on computer models is none for the next 5 to 10 days. So it's purely easterlies for the next 3 days until Monday. So expect during the afternoons we are going to experience some cloudy conditions with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Now here's the fast animation. There you go. These are scattered rain clouds generated by the easterlies across portions of the Visayas and eastern or southern Bicol region. And if we look at the zoom-in satellite animation for this evening, this is the infrared satellite loop from windy.com, UMET satellite server. You can clearly see here some scattered thunderstorms across the Visayas, Zamboanga Peninsula, and over various sections of Samar. And there are cloudiness which is now moving towards Albay and Sorsogon. So expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms beginning maybe after midnight or tomorrow morning. And if we take a look at the wind, rain, and pressure forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, you can clearly see here the cloudiness and the possible thunderstorms as of this time across Samar, and there might be some thunderstorms also across portions of Masbate. And if we move this into 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, the thunderstorms and rain showers will continue across Siargao, Dinagat Island, and Samar provinces, including some portions of eastern or northern Leyte. And tomorrow afternoon, it is expected to spread across the Visayas, Mindoro, Bicol region, Marinduque, and also Romblon. And it is likely it could bring also some isolated thunderstorms across portions of Calabarzon. That includes southern Quezon and the Batangas, Laguna area. And on Saturday evening, the thunderstorms is expected to spread across the eastern sections of northern Quezon. And there are still some isolated rains and thunderstorms across the Bicol region on Saturday evening. And on Saturday morning, a little bit of sunshine will be expected all across the country. But in the afternoon or evening, we could expect some thunderstorms to affect some portions of Calabarzon, Central Luzon, and the Cagayan Valley area. And through the evening, there could be some thunderstorms across the northern sections of Luzon. On Monday morning, some isolated thunderstorms will also be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, and there might be some thunderstorms over Aurora province. And in the afternoon of Monday, some thunderstorms will also be expected across the mountainous areas of northern Luzon, including Cagayan Valley and areas of Tarlac and Pangasinan. So far, that's the forecast for the next 3 days. So for the next 24 hours, there could be some changes in the forecast. Just log into windy.com. You could see the forecast updated every 12 to 24 hours. So by tomorrow and Sunday, if you're living across the Bicol region, Central and Northern Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabarzon, and Eastern Visayas, don't forget to bring your umbrellas, rain gear for possible rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. And that's the forecast for the next 3 days. The winds will be blowing from the east, although on Monday afternoon we could be expecting the a possible shear line here. That's why there will be some thunderstorms late Monday morning or afternoon across northern and central Luzon. While over Mindanao, we will also expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms on Monday afternoon. But it looks like Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon is somewhat very small chances of thunderstorms in most parts of Mindanao except for Soxygen area. And that's it. That's the forecast when it comes to the rain and wind. Like I said, for the next 3 days until Monday, the winds will be coming or will be blowing from the east. And before we leave you, here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday, and most of the rainfall is again concentrated along the eastern sections of Visayas, particularly Calabarzon, particularly areas like Siargao and Dinagat Islands, and also the northern sections of Caraga, that's the Surigao provinces area. And here over the portions of Luzon and eastern Luzon, there will be some thunderstorms, including the Bicol region, come for the next 3 days, which is not yet reflected here, but that's what the forecast is expecting for the next 3 days. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest that's the latest for our weather situation for the next 3 days through the weekend. And we will return on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.